YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone, focusing on the 2025 Oppo A54 with a clean flow and up to 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we break down the latest in tech without the sugarcoating. Today we're checking out the 2025 version of the Oppo A54. This is Oppo's new budget-friendly smartphone, and even though it's not a flagship killer, it still packs a few surprises. Let us get into it and see if this phone is worth your money in 2025. First off, let us talk about the design. Oppo has gone for a simple and smooth aesthetic this time. The back panel has a clean matte finish with slightly curved edges, giving it a modern touch. There's a rectangular camera bump on the upper corner, but it's flush enough that it doesn't feel awkward in the hand. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted, integrated into the power button, and the phone feels fairly lightweight, which is always a plus if you're someone who uses your phone all day long. On the front, the Oppo A54 comes with a punch-hole display, which helps give it that edge-to-edge look even though it still has a bit of a chin at the bottom. The bezels are slimmer than what we've seen in previous A-series models, so at least Oppo is moving in the right direction. The screen is an HD Plus IPS LCD panel. It's not mind-blowing, but it's sharp and bright enough for daily use like YouTube, Instagram, or even casual Netflix watching. Don't expect ultra-smooth performance like you'd get from a high refresh rate display, but for this price range, it holds up. Now let us get into performance. The Oppo A54 is powered by a mid-tier MediaTek chipset. It handles day-to-day tasks like browsing, messaging, light gaming, and video streaming without major lag. Multitasking is decent, though if you're jumping between heavy apps or trying to play graphic-intensive games, the phone will start to show its limits. It's paired with a decent amount of RAM and storage, and there's a micro SD slot for expanding storage if you need it. As for the software, Oppo keeps it simple with its ColorOS skin over Android. There are a few pre-installed apps but nothing too annoying. You can disable most of the bloatware if it bothers you. The interface is smooth enough and has a few useful features like Smart Sidebar, App Cloner, and customizable gestures. It's not the cleanest Android experience out there, but it works for most people just fine. Now the cameras. The rear setup includes a primary wide lens, a macro lens, and a depth sensor. The main camera does a decent job in good lighting conditions. You'll get usable shots with acceptable detail and color. But in low light, things start to get soft and grainy. Night photography isn't this phone's strength, so don't expect miracles. The macro lens is more of a gimmick than a feature, but it can be fun to mess with. The front camera, housed in that punch hole cutout, takes solid selfies with beauty mode doing its usual magic. Again, good lighting is key. Battery life is one of the A54's stronger points. It packs a big battery that easily lasts a full day with moderate use. Watching videos, taking calls, browsing, and messaging won't drain it too quickly. Even with a bit of gaming or social media scrolling, you won't need to reach for a charger before the day ends. Charging speed is reasonable too, thanks to support for fast charging. It won't top up instantly, but you won't be stuck waiting forever either. For connectivity, you get the usual features. There's 4G support, dual SIM slots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a headphone jack, which is getting rare these days. No 5G here, but at this price point, that's not a surprise. The speakers are average, loud enough for casual use but nothing special. So what's the final word on the Oppo A54 in 2025? It's not a flashy device and it won't blow you away with performance or camera tricks. But it doesn't try to be something it's not. This is a budget-friendly smartphone that gets the basics right. Good battery life, a decent display, clean design, and reliable performance for everyday use. If you're someone who needs a backup phone, a simple device for your parents, or just want a no-fuss phone that handles your daily tasks without emptying your wallet, the Oppo A54 is still a solid option in 2025. Just don't expect flagship features or cutting-edge specs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop from FK iPhone. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version with specific specs or more dramatic language.